Hello guys, welcome back to the stream again. Welcome everyone, welcome to the stream. Uh, Today I'm very interested on NAS and Red, Nasdaq, even in gold as well. And I will update my trade for yesterday. Yesterday was the first trade for this week, and I took a short yesterday, maybe right over here. My stop is somewhere here, I guess. Uh, Something like this yesterday on gold. Let me see. Let me check. I think this one. So I took a loss yesterday on gold. There's the update for yesterday trade. And till now, I don't took any trades. I'm still waiting for that. And today, gold is very choppy from yesterday. That's why see this range. I don't want to uh, risk my position on this choppy price, so I will wait for further price to move upside or downside. I just want to see some volatility in the market. And today I'm really interested on Nasdaq. um, let's see. I'm expecting this kind of a move, and SPX as well. And yesterday, I will show you one of my trade. I just hit a very small scalping over here on Nasdaq yesterday after I finished my live on YouTube. I took this trade, but it hit my stop loss. But I will show you how the frustration, uh, how much of frustration that I can get from this trade. So I am buying yesterday on this one. This is on 1 minute time frame on Nasdaq. This is my entry. Somewhere here, it's my entry. My stop loss is just over here, and my TP is this high. Okay, so this was my plan. It goes up, it took out my stop loss once again, and it hit my TP, bro. Again, this trade and this one is on another account, and I am losing on this again yesterday. So yesterday I took two trades. One trade during the live, and this one after the live, obviously after 20-30 minutes after the live. I'm very confident enough that it can go higher, uh, because of these fundamentals and this technical as well. It was day before yesterday, it was taken out some liquidity downside. It was recovery in V-shape. And yesterday President Trump is going to China, meeting with president of China, so it can be very good news for the market as well. That's why I'm very confident enough. Even today, I'm very confident that maybe not right now. After 9:30, we can see some manipulation downside, and market can go one more all-time high. So that's my plan for today. Hi, brother Umakanta. How are you? So for me, I'm interested on this one. This low. You see this gap? This particular gap, this is a very, very important gap, because yes, this is 5 minute fair value gap. We can see on 15 minute as well, but it is little bit higher and little bit bigger than 5 minutes. So I'm taking this 5 minute fair value gap right over here. It is rejected from this level again and again, again and again. So I'm hoping it will go one more time downside, taken out this low, and it can push higher. That's my plan for today on Nasdaq. Let's see. And this will be a very key level for Nasdaq today. S&P, this low is very obvious. If I see any divergence today on Nasdaq and S&P 500 or NQ or ES, I will be very, very interesting. So I want to see divergence in downside. Let's see here. I would just want to take some news. Strait of Hormuz could be reopened soon. A White House official says China and US agree that the Strait of Hormuz must remain open. Good for the market. Yes. Actual expected. Both countries, that is US and China, agree that Iran can never have a nuclear weapon. Right now, I'm not interested on gold because of the choppy price, but in my opinion, gold will be exploding very, very soon to upside. Gold 99%, I'm very obvious that gold can go much higher from this level. Even within this late 2026 or early 2027, in my this is my personal opinion that gold can make another all-time high. I got hit stop loss today on gold. That's fine, brother. Do journal. Take the screenshot of your trade. Do journal. It's totally fine here. Yesterday also I took two trades. Both of them I hit stop loss. And that two trade is also I'm waiting from Monday again. Okay, coming down. Nice. Mhm. It's, okay, I just want to check something on barchart.com. So NQM26. All right, all right. Nice, nice. What about ES? Okay, nice one. Um, okay, this would be for gold. I'm checking the futures price, guys, for some confirmation. Mm-hmm. All right. And then, okay. So in 1 hour time frame. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This one and this one. Na 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 na. Bro, how long have you been trading and when you did become profitable? Yes. I have been trading for almost 7 years now. I started trading in 2019, and to become consistent, profitable, and understanding myself, it took me more than 4 years. More than 4 years, 4.5 years around. So that's my answer. See this price for gold. I got hit stop out yesterday on this trade again. It was frustrating, bro. Like this one. I'm aiming this high. See, that's fine. That's fine. And as I told you, this is a gap you can see over here. This is a Monday opening gap. So as you can see yesterday, once it break through that gap, retest to that gap, and this red line is a midnight opening again from Monday. See this reaction. Even though yes, I hit my stop loss, but the price action was lovely. Nay nay monthly live trade ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯄꯤꯛꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯗꯤꯖꯟꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ. Yes. Thank you so much, brother. Really appreciate. Same for me. Um, I know that this is a very, very tough and very uh, emotional kind of mm, business, I would say. And when we are trading, we could be very, very emotional. We can't take the right decision at all. And trading is a tough, guys. But as of that, doing live trading is also not easy, guys. I'm doing this live, losing my money, funded account, this and that, everything on live. Profit also, everything is on live, everything is recorded. And I told you all of my plans, how can I get entry or not. And day before yesterday also, I am doing live for 2 to 3 hours, and I don't get any uh, single entry or any good setup for me. So I didn't take any trade day before yesterday. Everything is on live, and some of you really know that this is somehow difficult to do live in front of you, doing live trading in front of you. So really appreciate, brother. I will take a screenshot of your comment. Bro, how do you deal with all frustration, anger, shit? Yes, I would say yes. I do meditation, writing down my dreams and goals, then reminding myself why I'm started trading, and my why is very strong. That what hurts me or what hurts you, why WHY is very strong for me, so that in my mind always time I must not give up, always time, even though what it is, I must not give up, I must do it, I must overcome everything. And the most important part is that experience matter. So experience is one of the key, like I'm doing this, losing this and that, overcoming again and again, trial error for last 7 years. uh, so that's the main motivation for me. And uh, the main thing is that your willingness to learn and willingness to accept change, this is very important. Whatever it is in my mind, I took a very right decision when I quit my job. I took a very right and very strong decision that whatever it is, whatever it takes, I will do it. So from that time, like I'm quitting my job in 2022, that was February. From that moment I changed a lot in my personal development. Before that I don't read books, but after that I read books, writing down my dreams and goals, affirmation, and then focusing on my daily routine is very important. And developing a discipline is also a skill set. So you need to be very careful about your day-to-day life. If you are not disciplined enough in your day-to-day life, you can't be a disciplined trader, or you can't be uh, a good decision maker in trading. This is not easy, guys. I'm saying again and again. If trading was easy, everybody would be a trader. Everybody can be a profitable trader. Yes, everybody can learn and everybody can do it 100% if they have that strong decision. If they take that strong decision that whatever it is, whatever it takes, they will do it. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for them. The frustration level, everything, it makes through. I make through all of that. Okay, coming down. Nice. The simple thing is that you are not disciplined enough in your day-to-day life. Let's say, for example, you want to wake up early. Let's say 5:30 a.m. You want to wake up at 5:30 a.m. Exactly at 5:30 a.m. If you don't wake up at 5:30 a.m., and let's say you are just realizing around you just woke up after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 6 o'clock, 6:30 o'clock in the morning, that's the main reason why you can't take a very good decision in trading. You need to be disciplined enough in your day-to-day life. Let's say you want to quit smoking, just quit smoking from today, from now, that's it. not from Monday, not from New Year, this and that. It doesn't work like that. You trade Indian market, I mean index option. Yes, I do trade Indian index, but long time ago in 2019, 2020. But right now I'm not trading with Indian market index like Nifty 50 and all. But I have plan. I will be returned back soon on Indian market as well. But for now, I do invest in Indian stocks, but I don't trade on Indian market currently. And please make sure you like this live, guys. And I'm coming live at least 3 or 4 days a week. Before that, I am only live just 1 or 2 days a week. But from this week, I'm doing live 3 to 4 days a week. And this is everything is for you guys. So I need some support from you that you learn something from this channel and you see what I'm doing, like when I'm losing, when I'm in profit, or when I miss the trade. Everything you see in here in this live, everything is recorded. So that's the beauty of live trading. It will know that it may be any trader. You can see so many traders online, Instagram, YouTube, this and that. But the real one is that if you see him or her doing live trading every day, every year, every month, that's how you develop trust to him or her, and you can see the reality of a trader. Bro, please explain the areas highlighted in the red. What point of interest are they indicating? This one is 5 minute fair value gap. This one is very important, as I told you before as well, that you can see in this 5 minute time frame on this chart, you will see many fair value gap. This one is also fair value gap over here, this one, everywhere. But why I am taking only this fair value gap 5 minutes? Because according to time, according to this price right over here, this fair value gap is one of the most important fair value gap. That's why it was reacting again and again from this fair value gap. That's the point. And this one, this one is in higher time frame. I'll show you. This one is 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, so how this market goes, it will go like higher highs, higher low, higher high. This could be higher low. So if it comes down, it can respect this fair value gap, or it can touch this order block once again, and it can go for another higher high because the market is in bullish. And right now the market is in expansion phase. Retracement is almost done. Yes, it can go lower one more time respect to this level, and it can be the next could be the expansion phase. It could be another higher high because the market is an all-time high. Fundamental is good now. Right now, Trump and President of China is already meeting is already done. Everything outcome is already positive news. So that's why I'm very interested today. Nasdaq, I'm looking for buy. That's a simple reason. And the blue line, this dotted line right over here, it's a very interesting level liquidity right over here. First of all, bro, like if you are anybody, Those who are beginner, I'm saying this to all the beginners or those who are not profitable yet. Don't focus on making money first. This will be my advice. Don't focus on making money or withdrawing this amount of money from funded account. Don't focus on that. Just focus on learning something every day. Just learn something every day. And every trade you must do journal. Take that screenshot of your trade, even though you are losing or winning. Take that screenshot, write down about that trade, what you have learned from that trade, what's your emotion on that trade, before, after, during the trade. Just do it journaling. Journaling is kind of a data collection of yourself. Okay, that's my advice. Don't focus on making money first. Just focus on learning something, improving yourself, follow the process, enjoy your process with the market. Eye training is very important. You have to train your eyes each and every day. Back testing, even though you are doing back testing, go with proper plan, with proper journaling, even though you are back testing. And first of all, don't go with real accounts or real money. Always and always minimum 4 to 6 months. Please try on demo account or paper trading and start small. And if you watch me in profit or in loss, you are taking the wrong information from me. Okay, anybody you can watch in YouTube or Instagram or someone this and that, you can watch any trader, but my advice would be, don't ever try to be very greedy about their profit or loss. Don't focus on profit or loss. Just focus on why they took that trade, how they analyze the market, how they handle the losses, and from where it started and where the trader is already been through. That's the main part you have to learn from a trader, not from their profit and loss. And the main thing every trader does is that don't underestimate your own analyze or don't underestimate your own knowledge. You think that my analysis doesn't work, I must change to some strategies, smart money concept, this and that. I must copy this trader. My strategy is not working, his strategy is working. He got profit $5,000, $10,000. I need to copy his trade. Don't think like that, bro. It doesn't work like that. You can work your own strategy. Just polish your strategy and try to polish yourself, your entry style, understanding the market, understanding with the market condition is also very important. Every strategy can work, but only in certain market condition. My strategy also can work, not 100%. It can work in certain market condition. So that's why I'm waiting for that market condition that suits my style, that suits my strategy. That's the point. Yours also can work. So try to figure out that. I'm not disciplined enough. I realize that's why I'm not improved. Yes, 100%. My advice would be, try to improve yourself in your day-to-day life. Be a disciplined person in your day-to-day life first, and then it can reflect to your trading. Bro, what's your account size? My account size, I have too many accounts, bro. Like in funded account, I have right now in last 2 3 months I I blew around 4 to 5 accounts, funded accounts, and right now I'm managing around 6 accounts. Some of them are 50K, some of them 10K, some of them 25, all in funded account from different platforms. And yes, I do have my own personal account on broker. So on that account, I don't deposit that much, just 2K, 3K. Uh, that's my account. So I'm trying to improve myself and 100% within this year or maybe next year, but as soon as possible. I don't know the time, but I say this on live. There will be a day where I make 10K per account or 10K per trade, 50K in a trade. That's my dream. Definitely it will happen during the life, but I don't know when. Okay, so 9:30 opening will be in next 5 minutes. Let's wait until then. This was nice. 1 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Okay, all right. Okay, what about this one? This 4 hour closing is some kind of bearish for some time, so it can go more lower. Mm. Yes, not immediately, but definitely. Gold is still consolidating, so I'm not interested on this kind of a price. I will wait for a very clear market structure. Only then I will plan for gold. Otherwise, let it be. Okay, let's see. I hope it can do one more dip and push up. That's my plan. Let's see how it goes. Best mentor ever. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Appreciate. Means a lot. See guys, I am doing this live in front of you guys just to uh, I just want you to show that the reality of a trader. Okay, even though I'm losing or even though I'm in profit, sometimes I didn't get my setup like day before yesterday or maybe yesterday. I wait for 2, 3, 4 hours in front of the chart, not getting my setup. I'm not forcing myself. Just let it be. Just that is just another day. I will wait for tomorrow or next week. And honestly, I told you that uh, from past 3 months, I'm saying this in front of all of you guys. Last 3 months, February, March, April. On these 3 months, I don't get any single payout. I don't withdraw any single payout. Yes, I pass 5 to 6 funded account, but some of them I blew them. Some of them are in drawdown. Yes, that's my mistake. So it happens sometimes to a trader. I have been trading for 7 years. It doesn't mean that I must be always in profitable. I must be always in profit. There must be a losing day, okay, or losing month. So last 3 months, I am not withdrawing any single dollar from funded account. I'm trying to improve that, honestly speaking. But I learned something from that. I journal myself. I study myself that why I'm losing this again and again or blowing my accounts. So I find out some mistake from me that on this past 2 to 3 months, my mind is almost focused on the profits. Like I need to withdraw $5,000, $6,000, $10,000. That's my first mistake. Second one is that I didn't follow my daily routine properly. I didn't journal properly. I didn't follow my daily routine properly. That's my biggest mistake for this past 2, 3 months. And when I'm in losing, I try to revenge trade because of my emotion. So I need to be uh, stay out or coming out from that zone. Right now, I'm that much improved, and let's see how it goes in coming weeks or coming months. Let's see. Okay, 9:30 is already in. We can see some volatility. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Let's wait. Goal not moving at all. Okay, coming up. This 15-minute fair value gap will be important. This would be very important level. So this is the first one. Market wants to reach this level first. Let's see. I don't want to enter right now. I just want to wait for another 5, 10, 15 minutes. USD JPY. USD JPY is very irritating nowadays. Let's see, but USD JPY. Ah, bro. As of my opinion, how can you trade on this one? Everything is manipulated right over here. This is not a normal price. Right now, Japan is doing very crazy work, so I don't want to trade on USD JPY. Sometimes I do trade, but on this price, I don't want to risk my money. See, not a very clear structure or clear price. Everything is choppy and all. Just ignore it, bro. It is my simple opinion. Just ignore. Okay, all right. It will take out first this high right over here. Mhm. Reaching this high. See this one? This is another fair value gap. Breakthrough, retest to this equilibrium once again. This is very important price action. Right now, I will be looking on this one. Already taken out this liquidity. This was very obvious. Next area would be this one. London's high. Okay, 1 minute is breaking upside, 3 minute, 5 minute as well. Let's see. Yep, I will check for US 30 as well, because the DXY is moving up. It will take a pressure on Nasdaq, like stocks and all. If dollar index goes up, it can easily fall down, so I need to be very careful with that. If gold takes out this low, it would be interesting if gold takes out this low, and the next one would be right over here. So let me check US 30. Thank you for reminding. Okay, okay, nice, nice one. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Okay, okay. This is done. So my eyes would be right over here for next 5 minutes. It's almost done. See this leg up. Even in 1 minute, there is no further retracement. I'm waiting for the retracement. It's wild, bro. if it takes out this low, then I can enter within this level, but it doesn't take out this low. That's why I'm not entering till now. Let's wait. If I miss it, that's fine. Fuck. Damn. Damn. Give me some retracement. Give me some retracement. Mhm. This US 30. All right. Fuck. See this move, guys. Crazy. See the 5 minute. Damn. So I need to be very, very careful about this level. And right over here again. 15 minutes. Please give me some retracement. Fuck. I need at least to this level. Again, it goes up. Okay, let's see. Let's see. In my opinion, first it can go right over here and do some retracement, and then again it will for higher. It can go for higher. Let's see the scenario. Still I'm bullish, very very bullish. What gold is doing? Arey gold bhaiya. Give me that retracement. Yes, give me that retracement. Give me that retracement. All right. On US30, I just want to see to take out this low. Give me some retracement. Okay, 10 o'clock candle closing will be in next 5 minutes. Okay, 4. It was just taken out the stop loss first trade. Now I'm waiting for another entry. 1 hour is still opening, so I will wait for that moment. Okay, I'm going in with another one after this 1 minute closing. If US30 takes out this low, then it would be nice. I just want this move on US30. So I just want to wait for this one. Either it breaks through or dips downside. Still respecting this level. Yes, NAS 100, US30, and S&P 500 is very much correlated. They will move very similar because they all are index, but different companies combined. This is done. Mm-hmm. Let's wait. Let's check goal. Not interested yet. Still the body is inside this gap. uh, Gold is in a very range price, so I'm not interested yet. Even in 15 minute, 5 minute is I don't like this kind of market condition. I just avoid. If any pair or any asset is in this kind of market condition, then it may be gold or forex pairs, anything. I just ignore. I don't want to risk myself. ये फालतू का ट्रेड हो जाएगा फिर. I don't want to pay Budu fine again and again. Mhm. Okay, 6, 8, 12. Good. On this leg right over here, this low, I just want to see to take out this low once more and tap on this gap, but it was not doing so. That's why I'm still waiting for another confirmation. 30 minutes. Okay, before it take out this highs, if it comes down one more time and take out these lows once again, it will be a setup for me, a plus. But I want that before 12 o'clock New York time. After 12, I'm not interested. Time is one of the most important key level for technical. Your technical must be in the right proportion with time. Mhm. 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 Now it's 10:30, so I just want to see before 10:50, 10:45 to take out some liquidity downside one more time. If it does so, I will look for an entry on that moment. And before that or during that, if it takes out these highs one more time, then I may be done for today. I'm a beginner, yes, brother. Um, just invest on learning first. If you are really beginner, every day learn something. Please tell me best time to trade gold. For gold, there is lots of time, but mainly if you are trading in New York session, New York in New York time, it would be around 8:30 to 11 would be good time for you. New York time. I mean the time zone in New York. 8:30 to 11 o'clock. That could be the best timing for New York session, AM session, early New York. If you're trading on London session, then 2 to 4:30 could be your timing. Bro, I don't get set up in India market um, because I don't know. I don't know your setup first of all, and I if I don't understand your setup, how can I know, bro? Just you can explain me first, or maybe every day is not a trading day. My setup is not forming every day. Your setup may not form every day, every week. You have to wait for that. Mhm. So this is Nifty, and I just draw this line. It can take out this low. It can push higher. First of all, from this closing price to this opening price is very important. See the level within this gap. It was going to the discount level, forming this swing low, and maybe tomorrow or next week, if it break above this high, that is higher chances that it can reach for this level. Let's see in 30 minutes, like this. But let's see. I'm not trading on Indian market right now. But opening price is very important. Opening price, gap, liquidity is very important for every market, any market. Mhm. This time it can reach this level like 29611. Look this trade. I'm not expecting this drop suddenly, this sudden drop. Crazy. Respecting this one. Now it's very higher chances that before taking out these lows, it can go for this high first, according to this time. Bro, in market, it's on smart money authority. Brother, it's not about authority and all, and smart money concept is just a concept, okay? Based on liquidity and manipulation. That's it. I'm expecting this move on NAS 100 and S&P 500 is moving higher from NAS. Mhm. 30 is from this one. Okay, guys, my objective is done. I'm looking for another re-entry, but it doesn't get to my level. For after I hit stop loss, it almost go to my TP. So after that, I'm waiting for this low to be again taken out so that I can re-entry once more right over here, like this one, but it doesn't give me that entry again. So same trade like yesterday. Yesterday also I miss on Nasdaq from somewhere. I enter on this one. This is my stop loss. Same trade I do like this yesterday, and I don't want to force again for that. So it's totally fine. Already hit the TP. If I not stopping out this one, I'm not expecting this kind of a sudden move down from this level. The stop loss is also not that much small, but I think it can retest this level from here, but dips down again. So let's see. For now, this is M session is almost done for me, and maybe afterwards, if I got a good retracement once again, I will go for it. One more trade for today, and for now I'm done. My objective is already fulfilled right now. And I'm missing on this good rally right over here because I'm waiting for just to take out this low. That's why I'm missing this whole rally over here. And on future price, I just want to check something on future. Even though it is not taken out this low. Okay. Very good trade though. Already hit that level. I'm expecting it will go much higher from this level because right now it's again in all-time high, but I'm expecting more rally to upside. That's why if it goes up from here slowly, then I will not look for re-entry. If it gives me one more deep downside, then I will look for another re-entry. Maybe not now, after PM session, after 12:30. That's it, guys. I'm done for today. Just took one trade, losing the trade. I'm entering somewhere. I think somewhere here, I guess. And this is my stop loss. This is my TP somewhere here. Okay, but if I'm not hitting my stop loss, then on this level I will book around 80%, and then the rest 20% I will hold for much longer, like until somewhere here 29,700. That's a very good level. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this live, and see you again next time. Be safe, guys.